Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Anne. We are out by Mammee Bay, and this is the land that China Harbour Engineering Company is going to build a massive residential development. 4 towers of 6 floors, and this land is also the land that has been discussed a lot. I don't know if any other parcel of land in Jamaica has been discussed as much as this one. So what happened is the government of Jamaica, and it was the PNP government at the time, gave this land to China Harbour Engineering Company. 1,200 acres of prime real estate. Now you must be asking yourself, why would the government of Jamaica give away 1,200 acres of land? Well, China Harbour Engineering Company is one of the top contractors in the world, one of the largest contractors in the world. They are the #1 contractor in Jamaica, and they do an excellent job. They build all the highways in Jamaica. That highway to the right is Highway 2000 North-South leg. China Harbour Engineering Company built it. Actually, they are the only, because local contractors can't build a highway like that. It would take 100, let's just leave it at, they're not at that level yet. They are struggling with the roads, the main roads, and so China Harbour Engineering Company plays a very important role in the development in Jamaica. We probably don't know where Jamaica would be without China Harbour Engineering Company. We probably wouldn't be as developed. No, I shouldn't say that. We wouldn't have these highways if it was not for China Harbour Engineering Company. So at the time the Highway 2000 North-South leg was being built, it was being built by a French company. China Harbour Engineering Company did not even bid on the project. They never looked. They didn't bid on the project. They weren't operating on any large highway. This is a highway we're looking at now. Very nice road. They weren't bidding on the highways in Jamaica. And then the French company ran into problems, and they had the construction of the highway stopped. And the government, I don't know if China Harbour Engineering Company approached the government or the government approached China Harbour Engineering Company, but they came, looked at the highway project and said, we'll do it. We'll pay to build the road. We'll collect toll on the road for 50 years to pay back for the construction. And you have to give us 1,200 acres of land beside the highway. That was to get, so the deal was done, and China Harbour Engineering Company came to Jamaica. Now, this piece of land that we're looking at, specifically, China Harbour Engineering Company asked for this land. So if the government didn't give them, they probably would not have come to Jamaica. The highway probably would not have been finished, and Jamaica wouldn't have all these first world highways that we have now. So I'm going to ask you guys a question. Do you think it was a good deal based on all that China Harbour Engineering Company has done in Jamaica? All the highways, all the buildings, they literally have transformed the construction industry in Jamaica. If you were to go back in time, and I think this is 2006, would you have made that deal with China Harbour Engineering Company? Would you have given them this land? Now in 2006 there was no highway. I think the highway, did it open in 2006? So that means the deal would have been done before. But when the deal was done, there was no highway, so this land wasn't as valuable as it is today. A real estate person said, when these units go on the market, they'll be sold off within a week. Because Mammee Bay is a very developed area. It's right beside Draxall. It's right beside Ocho Rios. Prime real estate. So guys, what do you think of the deal? Do you think it was a good deal? Do you think it was worth it? Because Remember now, China Harbour Engineering Company specifically asked for this piece of land to be a part of the 1200. So clearly they saw the potential. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Okay, so that road we're looking at now is the Northern Coastal Highway. That's the main road. It's not a toll road. That's the main road that takes you from Negril to Montego Bay to Falmouth, Falmouth to St. Anne, or Falmouth to Ocherius. One of, if not the busiest road in Jamaica, and it's not a toll road. The government is going to be spending billions of dollars to expand that road to 4 lanes. They're going to start with the section from Draxall to Ocherius, which is even going to add more value to this piece of land here. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about the deal. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.